play some NBA, you see me? I'm Bridget, he's going to do the big boss. Call you, remember him for the basketball game. Him just make a sitting there shot, you know. I'm going to show you the shot when he make. Let's put your foot up. Mali, that's how you go to the dam. You say you're wicked in a FIFA. You have to go pull up in a dam. It's a record. You have to go pull up dog if you need. Yes, I agree with that. Leading by 9. Let's look past it to Grant. And Robertson has it in the corner. Got a piece of it. Westbrook against Curry. 6 to shoot. Wide open look. And Curry pulls it down. Really bad mental lapse by the defense. Yet he did not. Oh my God. I got a bitch. Here's Robertson. Shit. Next matchup, they'll be home against the Suns. And that game concludes. I try to draw something up. Incredible job by Draymond. Keeping his eyes on the prize all the way through. Oh, man. This is the green. He's capable of those memorable ones. Yo, dog, just left the ball, man. Oh, my God. Hits to Grant. Dishes it to Cantor. 2-second difference between shot clock and game clock. He's not going to jump again. I said, no, jump again now. It's time now to go for something. By 7.
Now is the second half just about ready to go.
Relentless so far in this game. It really is going to have to be a total team effort to try to slow him down.
Our second half of basketball and presented by Gatorade. That seems all filled up and on the floor to start the third. So diplomacy right now. Stolen by Westbrook. Good. For 3. That's the assist. Oladipo's got the first bucket of the so it chipped away. Just go for the Thunder. And that one's Westbrook. Westbrook 17 now.
And unfortunately, we've seen a few too many of those. A lack of concentration, a turnover, constantly looking for the ball.
Display that he's putting on. They have to regroup, stop the momentum, plain and simple. They have to cool him off for a couple minutes. One strategy they might employ is to force him to work hard on the defensive end and to try and suck some of his energy. Timely passing leads to assists, and that's been the recipe for success.
Adams with the screen. And Robertson has it in the kick. Adams the pass to Oladipo. To the paint. Here's Durant.
Oh, what's doing? I get that curl in this case, you know.
And Jen shot. And Pachulia.
And I get that pussy.
Pachulia. In the corner gets him to the paint.
Oh, God, you didn't see that.
And the player led by 9.
When you get close to the basket like that, these things usually happen.
Pachulia dishes to Durant. Here's Curry. And count it. 2 points for the chance for the
Stephen Curry doing a nice job.
His first bucket in this one. Warriors trail by 8. And Robertson kicks to Gibson. Here's Christian. Here's Robertson. Oh, and there's the one-handed chance.
He can do a lot more damage to the rim than that.
Oh, you're right. And with the lead they're enjoying, I'm surprised he didn't put a little something extra on that one. And it's JaVale McGee with the fight. And it's his
Yo, after that, yo, we can't even McGee that.
Here's Durant.
There's no stopping him.
Again, 2 free throws coming up as misses that one, blowing the whistle and another punch in here.
And guys, how fun is it watching this fella just go to work?
But you said every point guard who can climb the ladder like
consistently supplied by rising way above him.
I'm saying come back, see
for Jeremy Grant.
I mean, you never expect to get opportunities that easy coming down the stretch of a tight game.
How they let that happen, that is beyond me. Where is the fight?
Look alive.
Has to be their mentality on defense right now.
Curry next to Durant. 4 on the shot clock.
Hey.
With the steal.
Hey. Hey.
And you've got to wonder just how big those points are going to be. A swing like that is decide.
Oh, with the block.
Pass to Durant. He kicks it to Curry.
Every little bit helps. Outstanding work hitting those free throws.
Timeout called the Warriors. They're behind by 7. There's 14 seconds left in the fourth quarter. They think
And look, this one's got to reach. I don't know what they're thinking with this timeout.
Maybe the coach just wants to try out a new play. But I agree. This one is over.
That's a guarantee.
Here's Livingston. Yes!
It's fine. In the clutch. He is just a total pro in these situations.
And it's an intentional foul.
No choice but to foul there, but he's probably the last guy you want to see on the line.
And he misses the second one as well, so he is 0 for 2 that time. So it's Oklahoma City picking up a win. A narrow win under difficult.
Pretty thing now, Vlog. Me just lose the first game, you see me? And the man saying, the man go win the second game. The chip leak. Boy dead now. See? Boy dead. Second game, last quarter. The man be telling me, the man say, oh, I 2 games, the man go win. The chip leak.
Dash Brothers, Cantor and Adams inside. Oladipo is out there with Christian. Here's Durant, and Kevin Durant with the slam.
No, boy dead.
Here's Cantor, and Cantor throws it down.
Before we get into this game, it seems like the more the offenses are in rhythm, the defense is going to have to step up. Each team right now is damage to the rim of that when he wants.
Oh, you're right. And with the lead they're enjoying, I'm surprised he didn't.
Good spin.
Total stuff for the rep to go from one end of the floor to the other. I mean, he's just incredible.
And that one's good. Chris Brown.
And that's exactly how they've gotten the lead right here. Easily their most consistent performance.
Get that one.
Any look they can get from there, just making it rain from the perimeter right now.
Jeremy Grant, who's trying to give that on the sideline.
Not happy with their play. We told him, we're getting outworked out there.
Yo. Yo.
And the foul on Victor Oladipo. They're trailing by 12. Durant with the steal. Here's
As the ball in his hands in transition, he always finishes strong. Just like he did there. He's not very smooth down the low post, but still, he should make those shots for ball.
What is that? Oh, shit.
Just noticed tonight. good chance. Impressive win for the Warriors.
Disrespectful guy.
You know, they didn't get something.
They got
the work.
With a total of 44 games in the win column on the season.
And what a huge
Shit, what is that?
big chat in a bitch, man. I mean,
107 left in the fourth quarter. It's tipped. Abrinas the pass to Oladipo. Durant dishes to Livingston. That's for a wide open look. And another three for Golden State.
Well, if it wasn't.
Hits the curve. Over in the corner, Barnes. The shot's good.
anybody that's not true. Everybody get out of the
out of here with a win and send this crowd home happy.
Well, they have to be pleased with their play here today. You can bet the fans are pumped as well.
So we see the Warriors taking
and he make the tough chat. He can't say this at you. And he make the tough chat.
every minute.
You hear the bet? By a Paul George with the bad Paul George, you know. Man say if him lose, I might want that. You know here? Alright, sir. See it now, you know. People dead.
Right, I know.
Yeah, but people don't know, say you just make big chat and lose.
Nah, give me lose, man. I give me shoes.
Yo, game 3, you know, sir. Alright? Boy, dead.
I give me shoes.
And 2K where I play to, you know. 2K where I play. Boy, dead. See it now, you know, people.
62% from the field. To the middle. Here's Abrinas. It's deflected. Here's Cantor. And
We
Cantor.
get the lead, brother.
5 seconds left to play here in the third. Here's Curry.
You can't come. You can't come.
Thunder shooting it as well as you're going to see. 67%. All right, now a chance to set the floor. Fourth quarter action. All fueled up and ready to go. So for the Golden State Warriors right now, the incredible shooting pair of Curry and Thompson in the backcourt. A lot of defense in the quarter spots with Iguodala and it's West in the middle.
Dropping bombs. How many more threes are we going to see from him tonight?
Well, some of that is up to the defense. If any space on the perimeter, it's going to turn the lights out.
And really, he epitomizes what a point guard should be. I mean, his skill is a...
And that jam break, I'd say you're absolutely right.
And not many players at that position, as explosive as he is in a close game, just rose up to the challenge.
He's checked in for David West. Adams. And Adams with the slam. Game winding down, and they just keep changing leads.
And guys, no separation yet. All the way down. And they clearly are just destroying this group right now from the three-point line.
Well, they've been on a roll ever since the break. Doesn't seem to matter whether the shots are open or there's a hand in the face.
The Warriors have gotten all 3 of their shots to drop here in the fourth quarter. They came out of the break on a roll. Here's Iguodala. Thunder with the rebound.
When I get the phone.
Adams has got his 6th rebound on the night. Here's Roberson. Grant hits the West. He shoot again. And the Westbrook's got 12 points.
I'm not sure the opposing team's coaching staff has a down to Westbrook.
And the Thunder. It's way outside. And the 3-ball is good. Curry's got 6 points in the quarter.
And since the start of the fourth quarter, that three-point shot has just been there. And there's another.
Game is on the line. He wants the ball. No one on D-step at this time.
Green dishes to Pachulia. We're in the fourth quarter here, just under 2.5 minutes left. Knocked away. Stolen by Westbrook. Adams will pass to Westbrook. Count 8.
And that's what a guy like Westbrook will do for you, willing his team forward in these big moments.
Out of bounds, Golden State takes possession. We've got 1:13 left in the game. Here's Curry, and the jam by Stephen Curry. 59 seconds left in the fourth quarter. On its way from Curry for 2. was their biggest Westbrook. It's checked. Thompson against Goldie.
Even with the big lead,
And that's part of good.
That last break, I heard Billy Donovan talking to his team. He told them, don't look at the scoreboard. It's 0-0. One play at a time.
There's a team shot.
Let's see what I want.
Still got to finish strong, though. Play with a bit of pride.
Cantor kicks to Grant. And just miss after miss right now. Down low.
Big time finish to pull away.
So we see the Warriors get the win here, even early on.
Bruno see it, he try run. He gets splat out. A splat, he gets splat out. Vlog, look to more.